Hey everyone, welcome to the Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Repair Lab Rotorua, where precision meets expertise. Today I'm showing you how to replace a broken screen on an iPhone 12 Pro, just like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you start any repair, make sure you have the right tools and a clean, static-free workspace. For this job, you'll need a pentalobe screwdriver, a suction cup, a spudger, tweezers, and, of course, a replacement screen. Alright, step 1, power off your iPhone to avoid any electrical damage while you work. Simply hold the side and volume up buttons, then slide to power off. Next, grab your pentalobe screwdriver and remove the 2 screws at the bottom of your iPhone. These tiny screws keep the screen in place, so keep them safe. Now it's time to use the suction cup. Place it near the bottom edge of the screen and apply gentle but firm pressure. Once you've created a small gap, carefully insert a plastic opening tool to start separating the screen from the chassis. With the gap created, use the plastic tool to work your way around the edges. Be gentle and precise to avoid damaging the internal components. Lift the screen and support it at a 90-degree angle. Remember, don't pull it too far, it's still connected by display cables. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the display shield. Then gently disconnect the display cable with a spudger, and just like that, the broken screen is off to the center side. Now let's install the new screen. Start by connecting the new screen to the display. Once connected, attach the display shield to the screen. Align the stick to the press it. Finally, reinstall the bottom screws. Everything that notification bell. See you next time.
Budget Computers and Kiwi Mobiles Repair Center is the premier high-tech lab in Rotorua, Bay of Plenty. Our facility has the latest industry-recommended tools and machines, ensuring swift and safe diagnosis and repair for all your tech needs. Subscribe to our channel for the latest tech and tips. Follow us on Facebook.